If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, but you want to stream music and take hands-free calls, you've probably heard of FM transmitters. Today, we're looking at one of the most popular options on the market, the Nulaxy wireless in-car Bluetooth FM transmitter. Is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. The Nulaxy FM transmitter is designed for one main purpose: to bring modern wireless connectivity to older vehicles. It plugs into your car's cigarette lighter port and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Then it broadcasts the audio to an empty FM frequency, allowing you to hear your music or calls through your car's speakers. It's a simple concept, but execution is everything. The Nulaxy model, especially the popular KM18 and KM30 variants, has consistently topped the Amazon bestseller lists for a reason. It's reliable, affordable, and packed with features you wouldn't expect at this price point. Let's talk sound quality. For most users, the audio is surprisingly good. The Nulaxy uses Bluetooth 5.0, which ensures fast pairing and a more stable connection than older versions. When paired properly and tuned to a clear FM station, the sound is crisp, with minimal distortion. However, FM transmission does have its limitations. If you live in a crowded urban area with lots of strong radio signals, you might hear faint static or interference now and then. That's not unique to Nulaxy. It's a trade-off with any FM transmitter. Finding the right frequency is key, and once you do, performance is generally solid. What makes the Nulaxy transmitter stand out is its practical feature set. First, it includes a bright 1.44-inch display that shows the FM frequency, song title, incoming call ID, and even your car battery's voltage. It's easy to glance at while driving and doesn't require you to fiddle with your phone. The controls are intuitive. There's a multi-function knob for adjusting volume, changing tracks, and answering calls. The unit also supports hands-free calling via its built-in microphone, which works well in most environments, though it can struggle in noisier cabins. One standout feature is the USB port for charging your phone while streaming. On the KM30 model, there's even a Quick Charge 3.0 port, which delivers significantly faster charging. Some versions also include a microSD or TF card slot and AUX input, offering multiple ways to play music if Bluetooth isn't your preference. The design of the Nulaxy transmitter is both functional and flexible. It has a gooseneck arm that lets you position the screen for easy viewing, which is great if your lighter port is in an awkward spot. The build feels durable for a product under $30, and the screen is readable even in bright daylight. That said, the gooseneck can wobble slightly when using physical controls, especially while driving. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. Also, a few users have mentioned hearing a faint buzz when charging higher-powered devices, though this seems to depend on your car's electrical system. So, who is this for? If you drive an older car with no Bluetooth or AUX input, this device is a game changer. It gives you wireless music streaming, phone calls, and device charging, all without having to replace your car stereo. And at a price point around $20 to $30, it offers excellent value. You're getting reliable connectivity, smart features, and a user-friendly design without breaking the bank.